today's job. We gotta take down this guy, this one, this one, and these two here. And yeah, it's gonna be a couple days, but we got a little stretch of some nice weather here, and gonna be mid-40s all week and next week. So start banging out some of these tree jobs. We got to grind all the stumps when we're done, and we got to take away this little one. That guy's staying. probably the easiest one of the whole job because it's the only one we can just drop the whole tree. Now we just gotta buck it up, feed her through the chipper. finished up day one. Got 2 trees done and started chipping away on a third, cutting off a bunch of limbs and stuff. So we're we're heading back to the shop, calling it a day, and gonna get back after it tomorrow. Probably get another 1.5, maybe 2 trees done tomorrow, and then we'll just have one more left and the stumps to grind. All right, so we got this job buttoned up. It was the big one for, had 6 trees here. So we got them all out. We got this guy out. Got the stump out. There's black walnut over there. Got the stump out. We had one here. Stumps out. And the big one here over the house. Stumps out. We got that big one. We didn't have to touch that stump just because it's buried way down there. And we had the one on the corner of the shed. That stump's out. So we got them all done. I actually only filmed the first day. We just ended up getting busy and trying to just chug along. I didn't have time to keep filming and switching batteries. But we got them done. I think it was 3 days on the trees and then a couple hours on the stumps that you could see in the last video I posted. They were over here grinding while I was doing another job. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when we put up new videos. Thanks for watching.